Friends, look here. These water birds are sitting together. They are attracted here due to this lake. You can see this lake. Wherever you would found the water, then you can see these water birds as well as these two water birds are fighting among each other. You can see, and they really like uh, these sort of trees. These are called water birds. You can see their lake, a beauty of nature attracting the water birds. This is lovely sight, beautiful sight which is attracting these water birds. If you know something about water birds, please comment in this video. Your comment would be highly appreciated. This is a crow. You can see who is trying to come near to the water birds. Let's see what happens. Please comment how you like this documentary about these birds. Thank you very much.